Are you kidding me? I'm tired of this.
That's a Marty Dom. This guy just got splashed and concussed and killed through a wall. An AK-47. An AK-47.
Oh no. I'm out. Bye. I don't
Noob
want to be killed by that.
Noob tube! Yeah, noob tube kill! Suck my balls, kid!
Don't
Come
you
on
don't
out.
want any balls.
Suck my balls! Get on the ground, lick my dick, nigga!
Oh, I heard him behind me. God dang it.
I had a portable radar. Right
That
there.
spawn was so bad though. Spawned right behind me. Oh my god, I'm only 19 and 5.
Oh my
Not
god!
too bad though. God, what are you on?
My dick!
Oh.
I'm gonna go
I'm running my
masturbate.
arse ass.
Can you change? You know, if you could change your dick length like you could your settings, like, I mean.
Oh my god.
L1 is my name.
Somebody just raped a cow.
No, I raped myself. Of course, someone raped a cow, Mamba. Of course. So, someone not to rape a cow, like, come on, Mamba. Think for a second. Oh, the church! No one get that care package. It's fake. It's a phony. The sit rep says it's a
I already
phony.
said that.
No, you
I
didn't.
want to get it.
Yes, I did.
No, not if I get it first. Not if I get it. Get ready to make a run for it. Green!
Damn it. He got us.
Oh,
I wonder
no.
who did that.
Who would have thought that was a fake care package?
I know, right? Who would have thought?
Trick does.
Why would you throw him down?
Why not?
Like what? Like how do you even get those?
Yeah, no one, like, it can't be support. No one uses support.
That's the only way we can-
MP7.
Dang, you hopped up on how many Oreos today?
I don't know, probably my cholesterol level from having those burgers. What?
Here's a double flop.
Mamba, I'm gonna start singing again. Start my music career.
Nice, bro.
You wanna know how I'm going to do it? By jerking off the cow porn. Yeah, I know, right? Try hard to jerk off the cow porn. Yeah, I know. I know, it's a little bit much.
Dick.
I like dicks too.
I know. They're amazing.
Oh, that's going in the
Hey, Dick, that was my kill.
Yeah, which one?
Nigga.
Jousting one.
Ooh, get no scoping. Who just saw that?
I did. The guy that you no scoped.
Yeah. You got no scope.
Dude, I bet the people that
I
kill me get a
avenged
real
you.
kick out of it.
I know.
It's the first thing when you kill someone, you just hear,